So for those of you who don't know, in a sorority, it's a tradition to make a paddle for your big. So that's what today's video is going to be about. So Maddie thinks I haven't started her paddle, and she's completely right. But I'm starting it right now. Right now, I'm actually like on a Zoom and sorry yet because I'm talking like this because like what if I'm not on mute? That would be so awkward. So I Mod Podged all of this onto the paddle, but it looks crazy, so I'm gonna like turn around like this and then like use a razor to like cut this off. But basically I really want the front to be Gucci themed. I got some like fun different ribbon to put on it and make it look really cute, and I also got some cute letters. I got these, which I think I'm going to put like along the edge of it. We just had chapter on Zoom and I thought I turned my camera off. I guess I didn't. I accidentally held up my paddle at one point. So I'm kind of just hoping she didn't see it. So I've come to the conclusion that I don't like the letters I got because I feel like the silver is clashing with the brown and you just can't see it. So like this is kind of like what I have and it's cute, but you really can't see this. But this I think looks really good. But yeah, so my plan is to have this little ruffle at the bottom and then make like a Gucci stripe out of the ribbon. Literally photo paper that I printed, it keeps getting like scratched, so I don't really know how to fix that. Maybe I'll put like a little bow there or something. So the other side is going to be all pink, like a huge pink collage. Also, look at these sunflowers I got. Oh my god, they almost fell. I need to put more water in these. I'm gonna go do that. Goodbye. I already got these letters. I think I'm gonna use them on the back at least. I'm not gonna go buy letters. That's stupid, right? I'm going to trace them on paper and cut them out. Should I just go get stencils? Like, I still have to figure out my letters for this side, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get this side done. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I just finished gluing on everything. This might be my favorite side. Everything is just pink. I printed these, but like I guess you could say they're kind of like stickers, so I'm just gonna like scatter them around. I don't know, close up you can kind of see like the glue. I can't decide if I like it with them or without. Actually, I think I definitely like it with them because it hides a lot of the glue. I don't want your love. Don't come to. So the back is pretty much done. I just need to put resin over it, but the front is like, I'm just having a little bit of a block with. Everything I kind of planned for isn't really working out. Thinking maybe of doing a stripe down the middle. That way, like you won't see as much of these glue stains because I just don't know with the little stripe that I need. I don't know, there and right here. I'm having kind of some trouble with kind of all I think I'm gonna do for right now. I need to eat and I actually have recruitment boot camp over Zoom in 10 minutes. Hey guys, so Emily's here.
Hi.
And she's helping me with the paddles that we have to do for our pledge educators.
More we have this, that's it.
This one's gonna be like an Arizona iced tea themed one. These are the ones we did so far. This one and this one. I also really need to work on my paddle for Maddie. I've decided I am still going to do the same thing with the Gucci logo, but I'm starting over and I'm literally going to rip all of this off. All the glue is like bothering me, so I'm starting over and I'm going to try to do it neater this time. Just finished cutting all of this out. What I did this time is I cut it out and I made the shape of the paddle, like it's still like the photo paper if you could kind of see, and I taped it all together before gluing it on so that the glue wouldn't get messy. It looks so much better. Also, I don't know if you could tell, they're like different colors. It was literally the same picture. I just printed this at CVS and this at Walgreens. So. I don't want your love. see right now. I'm trying to be quiet because my roommates are sleeping, but it is midnight and I just submitted my assignments that were due at 11:59. Paddle reveal is literally tomorrow. This is what my paddle is looking like right now. I brought it to my mom and she put the resin on it. I don't know if you can see, there's like glitter in the resin.
I don't want your love, don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me. No, 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 don't come to me. No, 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 no.
So close. Okay, I finished my paddle last night at literally like 3 a.m. so I never like showed you guys the finished product. I think it turned out really good. I was like really worried. Like the back, all pink. Oh my god, donut! Welcome to the vlog.
Me and Maddie are obviously very similar. We both like dance and things that are girly. So Maddie's obviously a very like high-end person. She likes like high-end things. But she's also like a high-end thing.
That was good.
So that's kind of what it is. Oh my god! Are you kidding?
Cute.
Thank you!
Wait, I want to get like a zoom in of it. Cute.
I get the other side too. I like this side too.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're doing a photo shoot.
Hi!
Maddie, did you like your paddle?
I loved my paddle.
Okay, bye.